Hey everyone, welcome back to Benefits Unlocked. I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're diving into the remarkable benefits of turmeric, often referred to as the golden spice. From its powerful anti-inflammatory effects to its potential in supporting brain health and beyond, turmeric is truly a gift from nature. So if you're ready to unlock the remarkable benefits of this golden spice, stick around. Let's get started. Let's talk inflammation. It's our body's natural response to injury or infection. But when inflammation becomes chronic, it can lead to health issues like heart disease and arthritis. That's where turmeric steps in, wielding its secret weapon curcumin. This powerful compound is a potent anti-inflammatory agent, effectively putting out those inflammatory fires. Curcumin inhibits inflammatory molecules like cytokines and targets enzymes like COX-2, reducing pain and swelling. By blocking these troublemakers, curcumin helps to calm down the inflammatory cascade, providing relief and preventing long-term damage. Now, let's shift gears and talk about oxidative stress. Our bodies are constantly under attack by unstable molecules called free radicals, which damage our cells. Curcumin acts like a powerful shield, neutralizing these harmful free radicals and protecting our cells from damage. But it doesn't stop there. Turmeric also boosts the activity of our body's own antioxidant enzymes, like superoxide dismutase. This further strengthens our defenses against oxidative stress. Our brains are incredible, constantly working to keep us sharp. Curcumin, with its ability to cross the blood-brain barrier, can directly impact our brain cells. Studies suggest that curcumin may help boost levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, crucial for brain cell growth and survival. This means turmeric could enhance cognitive function, improve memory, and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. A strong immune system is our best defense against potential threats. Turmeric, with its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, supports our body's natural defenses. By keeping inflammation in check, turmeric helps create an environment where our immune system can function optimally. Incorporating turmeric into your diet can be a delicious way to give your immune system a boost. A healthy gut is crucial for our overall well-being, and turmeric has been recognized for its digestive benefits for centuries. Turmeric stimulates bile production, aiding in smoother digestion and reducing indigestion and bloating. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help calm an irritated gut lining, providing relief from discomfort. So, if you're looking to support your gut health naturally, turmeric might just be your new best friend. Incorporate it into your meals for a happy gut. Our hearts work tirelessly to keep our blood pumping. Heart disease is a major health concern, but incorporating turmeric can make a difference. Turmeric supports healthy endothelial function, crucial for regulating blood pressure and preventing blood clots. Its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce chronic inflammation, a major contributor to heart disease. By keeping inflammation in check, turmeric helps protect our blood vessels. Support your heart health with turmeric. Chronic pain can be debilitating, but turmeric offers a natural alternative for managing pain. Curcumin acts on multiple pain pathways, reducing inflammation and interfering with pain signals. This makes turmeric beneficial for those with inflammatory conditions like arthritis. Studies show curcumin can be as effective as some over-the-counter pain relievers. Explore turmeric for natural pain relief. Our skin is our largest organ, and turmeric has been a staple in skincare routines for centuries. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory action helps calm irritated skin, reducing redness and swelling. Its antioxidant properties protect our skin from environmental damage, which can accelerate aging. Turmeric can help regulate oil production, unclog pores, and brighten skin tone. Incorporate turmeric into your diet or use it topically for healthy, glowing skin. Maintaining a healthy weight is essential for our overall health. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory effects can help reduce inflammation linked to weight gain. Some studies suggest curcumin may help regulate fat metabolism and enhance insulin sensitivity. Incorporating turmeric into a balanced lifestyle can support your weight goals. Enjoy turmeric as part of a healthy diet. Research suggests that curcumin may hold promise in cancer prevention. Curcumin appears to interfere with various stages of cancer development, from cellular changes to tumor growth. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties also play a role in its potential cancer-fighting abilities. By reducing inflammation and protecting cells from damage, curcumin may help create an environment less conducive to cancer development. Maintaining healthy blood sugar levels is crucial for our overall health. Curcumin has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, preventing blood sugar spikes. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties can help protect against insulin resistance. By addressing inflammation and improving insulin sensitivity, turmeric can help maintain healthy blood sugar balance. Our liver is a powerhouse organ, responsible for filtering toxins and playing a vital role in metabolism. Curcumin helps protect the liver from damage caused by toxins and poor diet. It boosts the activity of antioxidant enzymes in the liver, strengthening its natural defense mechanisms. By supporting detoxification pathways, turmeric helps our liver function optimally. Now that we've explored the incredible benefits of turmeric, you're probably wondering how to incorporate it into your daily routine. Add turmeric to your cooking. Its warm, earthy flavor pairs well with various dishes. You can sprinkle turmeric powder into your scrambled eggs, stir it into your rice, or add a pinch to your favorite salad dressing. For a more concentrated dose, opt for turmeric supplements standardized to contain a high percentage of curcuminoids. And for a soothing treat, try a warm cup of golden milk before bedtime. That's it for today's episode of Benefits Unlocked. We've covered the remarkable benefits of turmeric. The information in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your health routine. Remember, incorporating turmeric into your diet is just one piece of the puzzle. A holistic approach to health, including a balanced diet, regular exercise, stress management, and adequate sleep, is essential for optimal well-being. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe for more health tips. Until next time, stay healthy and keep unlocking your best self.